You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting words and names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Astra. Astra. Easy once you know, stress on the first syllable. Astra. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many mispronounce. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.